Inspections are key to getting the most out of your CAT compact wheel loader and should be performed at the beginning of the workday prior to starting the machine. Consult your operation and maintenance manual to ensure you're following all recommended procedures. Ensure your battery disconnect is off before performing these inspections. Begin at the front of the machine, checking the attachment and coupler for any damage. Inspect the hoses and make any necessary repairs. Consult your OMM for grease points and greasing intervals. Check the tires for any damage. Check the lug nuts and tire pressure. Consult your OMM for tire pressure information. Check the hitch area for any leaks or damage. Make any necessary repairs. Check the back tire just as you did the front. Raise the engine hood door. Check the hydraulic level, the coolant level, and the engine oil level. Check the fuel-water separator, squeeze the dust cap to remove any loose dust. Only remove the filter if the back pressure sensor on the display alerts the operator, and check the washer fluid level. Check the rear view camera if equipped. Move to the other side of the machine and inspect that side as well. Open the right side service door and check the radiator for any debris. Inspect the cabin air conditioning filters and clean if necessary. Turn the battery disconnect back on. Using 3 points of contact, enter the cab. Inspect the cab for any broken switches or components. Clear any trash. Check the lights and seat belt. Additional service tests can be done via the display. Test the horn. Remember to consult your operation and maintenance manual to ensure you are following all recommended procedures. For more information on the CAT Compact Wheel Loader, contact your local CAT dealer.